We are a group of women 66 years old to 86 years old that love to dance, we love to sing, that have come together to celebrate our culture and heritage. Music is our passion, and we are having the time of our lives. I'm Cynthia. I'm 76 years old. I am a performer and a proud Chinese American. I was born in San Francisco's Chinatown. Growing up in Chinatown was a lot of fun in those days. My mother was known for her beauty. Before work, she would always put on makeup. She was known as a beauty of Chinatown. I discovered Sephora about 16 years ago when my daughter got married. We were greeted by a very, very friendly salesperson. She made my daughter look like the most beautiful bride. From then on, I was hooked. And so I go to Sephora for all of my skincare and makeup. When I was about 10 years old, I said, gee, when I grow up, I want to be a dancer. I want to go on the road. I want to be so glamorous, all dressed up in high heels. My mom, being a single mother, had a very, very small budget. And to give me dance lessons, I realize now how much she went through, making 75 cents an hour. In the 1940s, Chinese American performers were non-existent. People wouldn't hire them. The Forbidden City nightclub was a place where Asian Americans could perform. It was the first stop for the soldiers coming to San Francisco before they left for World War II. That's how the Chinatown nightclubs all started. In 2003, 4 of us dancers of the Chinatown nightclubs recruited about another 6 ladies. At the age of 65, retired, everybody having a pension, the Grant Avenue Follies was born. We are now 18 years strong. To this day, we travel throughout the world. To me, that is something that I never thought would happen, so we are very, very blessed. Whatever passion that you have, go for it. The main thing in life is that you must have respect. And it doesn't matter what ethnicity we are, whether we are gay or transgender. If we have the love and respect for each other, the world would be a much better place to live in.